Are you wondering where to learn about marketing automation? If so, you are at the right place. In this episode, I will share with you my favorite top 13 resources to learn about marketing automation. One of the resources is actually a hidden golden resource, which is not easy to find for the public. It's kind of an insider resource for a selected circle of entrepreneurs. And I will share with you how to access that hidden golden resource ethically and for free. So make sure you stay till the end of this episode. My name is István Bújdosó and welcome to the 47 Marketing Show that reveals marketing automation strategies for busy entrepreneurs to get more done in less time and ultimately replace yourself in digital marketing and business. Just 3 quick notes before we get started. First, either you are starting out or want to take your marketing automation to the next level, you will find yourself the right resources on this list. Second, I'm going to cover the 4 key areas of marketing: lead generation and sales, follow-ups, audience building, and traffic. And the third, along the way, you will also learn about the benefits of marketing automation, why it is important, what can marketing automation do for you, and how to learn about it efficiently. Okay, now let's dive into the list. Number 1, the 47 Marketing Show on YouTube. Obviously, I'm partial about this one, but once you finish this episode, you can find over 100 free videos on marketing automation strategies to get more done in less time on our YouTube channel. Make sure to check those videos out. And now let's move on to the resources in the specific areas. First, in the lead generation and sales area. Number 2, .com Secrets book. This is a book written by the New York Times bestseller author Russell Brunson, which reveals 28 virtually unknown secrets to grow any company online with lead and sales funnels on autopilot. In case you are not familiar with online funnels, in a nutshell, funnels are special websites that step-by-step turn visitors into leads and clients, and they tend to outperform normal websites. And that's the biggest reason why every small business should have funnels in their marketing automation arsenal. The .com Secrets book is a great resource to get powerful knowledge that you can implement right away. They give the book for free and only ask you to pay for the shipping. In the description, you will find a link to it with the other resources. Okay, the next marketing automation resource on the list is number 3, .com Secrets Summit. This free summit is kind of an extension of the .com Secrets book. The book contains core secrets of funnels and marketing automation. On the summit, 30 successful business owners show how they creatively implemented the knowledge from the book and came up with new marketing strategies and funnels. So you can learn detailed strategies on the summit, and you can have the option to see real-life examples and detailed explanations as well. The book and the summit are standalone resources, so you will benefit either one of them you check out. And obviously, the combination of the two can give you the biggest benefit. Okay, the next marketing automation resource in the lead generation and sales area is number 4, One Funnel Away Challenge. It is a 30-day challenge that walks you through launching your first or next funnel. It's a simple fact that learning by itself is only half of what generates real success. Taking action based on that knowledge is key. That's why the greatest benefit of the challenge format is that you not only get the knowledge, it also gets you to implement what you learn day by day. And unlike with online courses, this challenge brings a community and accountability aspect as well. So you go through the 30-day journey alongside thousands of entrepreneurs like you, and by the end of it, you can have a marketing automation in place that helps you with your lead generation and sales. It is a paid challenge, a small investment. They ask people to put some skin in the game and take it seriously. Okay, the next marketing automation on our list is a special one. I mentioned it at the beginning of this episode. This is the resource that is actually a hidden golden resource. It is not easy to find for the public. It's kind of an insider resource for a selected circle of entrepreneurs. And in a moment, I will share with you how to access this hidden golden resource ethically and for free. Number 5, FunnelFlix. It's kind of like Netflix, but for entrepreneurs and small businesses, with a great amount of courses on marketing, marketing automation, business, and much more. This golden resource is hidden from the public. FunnelFlix is reserved only for ClickFunnels users. But here is how to access it for free and ethically. ClickFunnels offers a 14-day free trial. Once you register to that, from the ClickFunnels dashboard in the top right corner, you can access FunnelFlix. And you will have 2 free weeks to watch, learn, and decide if it's the right streaming service and marketing automation resource for you. In the online lead generation and sales area, the best courses to check out on FunnelFlix are the 5-day lead challenge, the funnel builder secrets, and the 10x secrets. I will leave you a link to this resource as well in the description. There is a lot more to come in this episode, but before we move on, let me ask you a favor. If you enjoyed this episode so far, then click on the like button right now. It is the best way you can support us to create more content just like this one. Thank you for your thumbs up, and now let's continue. We're going to move from the online lead generation and sales area to the follow-ups area, and where to learn about marketing automation to automate your follow-ups. Number 6, FunnelFlix again. Although it is the same resource you heard about a bit before in this episode, I gotta mention it again now related to automated follow-ups, specifically email marketing automation, which is still the best channel to reach out to your leads and customers on a daily basis, give them value, get them to know you, like you, and trust you, and gently direct them to your offers, and all that on autopilot. On FunnelFlix, 2 courses stand out in this area: the list building secrets and the subscriber reviver challenge. Both of them are aiming to get your follow-ups to the next level. Number 7, ActiveCampaign University. A lot of email marketing and automated follow-ups related content can be accessed for free. Some of those resources don't even require you to register. They are publicly available, and the rest of the resources can be accessed after registration. Okay, it's time to move on to the audience building area. With that said, the next marketing automation resource is number 8, ThinkMedia and ThinkMedia Podcast. Both of these are YouTube channels focused on creating YouTube content, and that way building your audience that can be turned into warm traffic. At first, this may sound like a lot of work and far from marketing automation, but here's the simple reality. Yes, creating and publishing content require a lot of work and consistency. At the same time, the benefits and the rewards of it can be huge. Every video you publish is working for you 24/7, 365 days, years to come. And keep building your audience and driving warm traffic to your funnels, even when you are sleeping or when you are on holiday or doing something else. And that's why content creation and publishing is one of the greatest forms of marketing automation. The ThinkMedia and ThinkMedia Podcast YouTube channels are amazing free resources in this area. Either you are starting out or you have already started and want to take your content creation to the next level. Okay, the next marketing automation resource on the list is number 9, ThinkMedia Masterclass or Challange. It is a free masterclass or challenge depending on which format is coming up in the calendar. and it focuses on the same topic as the ThinkMedia YouTube channels, the highly beneficial form of marketing automation, regularly published content. And the Masterclass or Challenge goes into the topic on a much detailed and deeper level. Just like the other resources to this Masterclass as well, you can find a link in the description. And now let's talk about the next marketing automation resources on the list. Number 10, Content Multiplier Formula, which makes video creation and publishing even more powerful and gives you a lot more benefits of this form of marketing automation. It comes in a free booklet format when you pay for the shipping, and you can also add to that an optional paid online course. In a different level of details, both of them are focused on the marketing strategy of turning one video into several content assets, and that way making content creation a lot more efficient and a lot more beneficial for you. Okay, the previous three resources are in the audience building area. Besides the fact that the audience can be turned into warm traffic, there are other ways to get automated traffic as well. And that's why the next marketing in the automation resource will be focused on the traffic area. Number 11, Traffic Secrets book. Just like the .com secrets, the Traffic Secrets book as well was written by the New York Times bestseller author Russell Brunson. And this book offers to reveal 20 plus virtually unknown secrets to get a tons of traffic to any website or funnel. While only some of these traffic methods can be automated, overall it is a great resource. If you know that the "if you build it, they will come" method only works in the movie, in the real world you have to drive traffic. Just a quick note before we move on, the book is free, they only ask you to pay for the shipping. Okay, the next marketing automation resource on the list is not other than number 12, FunnelFlix, the third time. Earlier in two other areas, I've already mentioned this resource, and now the third time in the traffic area. So just to give you a direction on what to look out for on the platform, the Traffic Secrets course and the Art Skills course. With that said, let's move on to the next marketing automation resource. Number 13, ConnectIO. While this is mainly a bundle of tools to automate and optimize Facebook ads, they also have amazing related Facebook ad courses. Once you set up a successful ad campaign, that can drive you automated traffic for a while. The link to this marketing automation resource will be in the description alongside with the other resources. If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button, it helps the channel a bit, and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified of the future videos just like this one. Thank you for watching, see you in the next one.